All right, this is the part numbers for the SnowEx Power Plow Cutting Edge. This is the Low Pro with the winter equipment, carbide teeth. Mostly making this video for myself. Next time I need these, so I have my part numbers. So we've got the two wings. Cutting edges is this SnowEx part number. And that comes with this bolt kit, one for each side. And that's that part number. Then we have this blade, part numbers 48754. And that comes with this kit, which is the bolts and nuts for here. And then the winter equipment. I can't remember which came with what. I ordered these two center pieces and then the two end pieces. I got one of these, which here's that part number. So I don't know if we need to do two on this and two on the other one, or if those two go right here, or if it really matters. Then we've also got this kit, which contains all of these things. So we've got two options. We've got the smaller 3 bolts, the little insert piece, which would go in between here, washers and nuts, or we can go larger, opt out this, larger nuts and everything. So, okay, and this is my first time putting on the winter equipment, and I did buy a Vevor, I think this was like $200 or $300, $250. Actually, I think it might have been $200 to $250. And this 18 by 30 millimeter annular cutter, sized that up, should be perfect size for these guys. So we will give that a shot. These don't line up all the way, so we'll have to drill down there. I also watched one guy on YouTube, and he put washers behind here to pop this out a little bit, just to give this some more clearance. And then this guy, I think, has to be drilled lower down. Obviously, if we're installing it now, it wouldn't be a big deal, but putting on new teeth, or new cutting edge. My plan here is to take off the wings first. That'll give us access to that main plate there. These wings kind of get in the way right here. But if you leave these wings kicked out a little bit, that allows you to get back here and get a driver in there, pull those off, and then you got plenty of room on the front end for that other side. So I think that's everything. As far as, I guess, another thing to keep track of, this new cutting edge is 6 inches. This one's about 3 3/4. That's about as low as you can go. This one on here right now is 4 inches, just for reference. Obviously, you can always set it on the ground and see how much room you've got. Okay. Other feedback. This blade has been on here 1 year approximately. I put it on last January and it needs to be replaced. It's currently January. So we're getting about 1 season out of this. We've probably only done 10 or 12 inches of snow removal in that period of time. Probably 50% concrete, so that might be attributing to that. But we are going to try to opt for these winter equipment to try to get 2 or 3 seasons out of these instead of just one. $800 for this guy, and I think this was like $550 for the winter equipment. Actually, it might have been like $450. I can't remember exactly.